Welcome to this episode of Fixer Upper, Ventnor, New Jersey edition. And today I'm at a beach block house, beach block 101 South Baton Rouge Avenue. And this house has awesome potential, but it needs a lot of work. So join me for the tour here. Beach block in Ventnor, the iconic boardwalk right down the street here. 8 bedrooms in this home, 5 bathrooms, so much potential. Let's go take a look. We help people achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate. So if you're looking to buy a home or sell a home in New Jersey, Delaware, or Pennsylvania, my team and I would be honored to help. And you can contact us at info@promptagents.com. So as we come in the front door, this is on the second level. There's apartments on the first level, and then you come in the second level here, front door, stairway right here going up, and you come in this door, and this is the living room. And as you see, I mean, this place at one time was quite nice, but it is unfortunately kind of fallen into disrepair here. The floors are in bad shape, probably gonna have to at least refinish them if possible. There's a fireplace here. As you see, the ceilings up here are coming in, that needs to be repaired. And then if you come back through this way, that would be the living room. We have a family room here. And then through here, a full bathroom. Now at the back of the house, here is the kitchen. And as you can see here, this does need a full renovation, new cabinets, new flooring, a lot of potential, but a lot of work here needed in the kitchen. So let's go up and check out the next level of the house. The steps here, hardwood. Hopefully you could refinish these and make these nice again. I think it does have some potential there. So now we're upstairs on the second level of the house, which is really the third level off the street level. And at this front side of the house, there's actually a full kitchen in here. There's a full refrigerator, dishwasher, there's a stove here, open area. There's steps at deck on this level as well, so you have some great ocean views. And then as you head back this way, we have a room here. There's no door, but this really could be a bedroom. There's a closet here. There's another bedroom here. And then there's a laundry room here. I'll show you that in a second. It needs some repair and there's some mold in there, so we're not gonna get too close. So upstairs, now we're at the top level of the house, and there are 4 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom here as well. And I forgot to mention, this is an exclusive listing. It's not in the multiple listing service yet. So if you'd like more information on the property, contact me. I'll be able to give you some details on this property. So down on the basement level, there are actually 2 apartments, so a lot of potential for some extra income coming in from the apartments. So 101 South Baton Rouge is not for everybody, but if you're looking for an investment, something you can buy, fix up, flip, I think this will be a great investment. If you're looking for a vacation home or even a second home at the Jersey Shore, you can't beat the location here behind me, beach block in Ventnor. So this might be something you might be interested in as well. It is going to take some work, but I think it's a lot of potential to be a great property by the time you're done with it. look at the video description. We'll have some details for you. And if you're looking for something that's not a fixer-upper, check this video out next.